Hello, everybody. R2F here with another Trade Like a Sniper episode where I walk you through a top-down analysis of an asset and frame a trade on a low time frame using ICT's concepts. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do it like I do, how I frame trades, check out my other videos on TradingView or YouTube. And if you want private coaching or mentorship, feel free to contact me on one of my socials. Okay, so yeah, let's go see how it's done. Today we'll try the crude oil CFDs on FX data. So we're starting on the 12 month. Let's just go, let's just go down to a 3 month quickly. Scrunch up the chart so I can't see much of it. And because it's not too much data on the 12, not too many gaps. So any, mini, money, mo, catch. Click, click, click. Okay. We're here. All right, let's get started. 3 month gap, 3 month order block. Price trades into it. Price can trade into it again as price forms. Let's let some candles form. I'm interested in a gap. Oh, okay, so now we are mean threshold. Let's wait for this 3 month to finish. Okay, let's go to the monthly. And all right, so possible monthly gap here. Let's see if we do create a gap. Okay, let's see if we can get into there. If we do, I think I would like to take a short. Short to where? Probably down to this area. Let's see if price gets up there first or not. Okay. So I could have put it here. At the very least, it should. This is the highest probability target. Super high. The swing low coupled with these equal lows, also very high probability. So 1, 2, 3. And do we want to go lower? I can't see anything on this time frame. On a higher time frame, maybe I'll be looking for a gap, but I'm not going to be too crazy about that, as in I'm not going to go to the higher time frames. So let's have a look. Okay, so super high probability target achieved. Also a very high probability target. Now we're going into the discretionary zones where more analysis is needed. So we still have this gap here that's unfilled. Now it's filled. Okay, so we came all the way here, right? Almost, or maybe right to that order block on the 3 months. We didn't close profit here. Let's just say that we are putting our stop loss somewhere at break even right now. Okay, so it probably will come up. Will it come down? Yeah. Okay. So I don't know if there's another gap here on a higher time frame. If there was, I might take a short. Seems to be finding support, but let's just see. Okay. All right. So it came all the way down here, almost to the target. That's why you take partials. So let's just look at the 3 month. Okay. There we go. Pretty much all the way to the order block. But what it did go to is, since there's a wick here, consequent encroachment of the wick is something you should take partials in. So let's see if we can take another trade as well. Gap here. Within somewhat of an inversion gap. But the thing is, this is all-time high, so I wouldn't know where to target. Let's just wait for more price action. Gap following the gap. Okay, in the gap. We can come back to the order block. Just going higher now. Parabolic. Boom, gap. Oh. Okay, so there's two gaps in here. A disrespect gap and disrespected CB and a actual CB in here. Oh, actually there's a volume gap in here as well. Opening gap, so okay. It's crazy movements. I thought of taking a trade in there, but it happened so fast. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, it was a wick that just went pew straight through. No problemo. So there's other opportunities. 2009, the financial crash. Okay, let me go check out the 12 year. Okay, this was the gap on the 1 year chart. 6 months. 1 month. Okay, we can kind of see that it went all the way up, right? So, oh, that's the 3 weeks. So I don't act like we are cheating. But what I would do is, if I have the feeling it's going to go up, breaks out here, creates a gap. This is a good one. Possibilities. It should break this high. If it comes up to here, one possibility is come back into here, somewhere around here, and then go, or just keep on expanding up, basically. Okay, so we'll just keep that in mind. It's a yearly gap, so okay, take out the top. Wow. Okay. So I like this order block here. You can put a stop here. Okay, at this point, I'll put it below the midpoint of this wick. So let's go to, all right, it shouldn't break that. We're going to target, look at this imbalance here, beautiful. We could target it all the way, I think. There's even one up here. There's many areas. Gap here. You can take another trade in here. Drill the stop loss. This target, yeah, either here or here. Take partials. Trill your stop. Be safe. Okay. Not expanding too fast, but still moving up. I like this gap here. Okay, so we have these two positions still in action. I'm going to go to the daily just to look at that gap. I want to see if we come back in here. Targets hit. Okay, so we're in here. I like this gap. So we hit our targets, but this is one of my famous type of gaps that are usually quite reliable if I was bullish and looking for an entry in here. Extra confirmation would be disrespect of this one. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not gonna look for more trades. So yeah, overall, the first trade barely missed the target. Okay, because it came all the way to the order block, and this gap actually moved up, and we had two trades here, which worked out nicely as well, and hit the target. And yeah, that's it. That's how you frame trades. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Good luck, and till next time, R2F signing out.